Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are doing well. As in our previous lecture we have learned about the perimeter. Now in this lecture we are going to learn that how to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Okay, so open your booklet page number 62. The topic is perimeter of a rectangle. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the lengths of all sides, or you can say perimeter is the boundary of the closed shape. So how to find the perimeter of rectangle? To find the perimeter, add length and breadth of the given rectangle and multiply the sum of the length and breadth by 2. So by this explanation we have one formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. Whenever you have to find the perimeter of the rectangle, you have to use this formula. What is the formula? P for perimeter is equal to L for length, B for breadth. So length plus breadth multiply by 2. Firstly you will add the length and breadth, then you will multiply that answer by 2. That will be the perimeter of the rectangle. Got it? Now here is a question, what is rectangle? What is rectangle? Rectangle is a closed shape where opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. There are 4 sides of the rectangle where opposite sides are equal in length. Here in this figure you can see a rectangular box is given. This one is the rectangular figure. How many sides of this rectangle? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This side is called length. This side is called breadth. Length is always greater than the breadth. So length and breadth. Opposite sides are equal in length. Length will be equal to the other side of the length and breadth will be equal to the other breadth. So opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. So this side is called length and this side is called breadth. If this side is for the 5 cm or 7 cm, then the opposite length will be also equal to 7 meter. If breadth is 2 cm, then the opposite side of the breadth will also be equal to 2 cm. So opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. If one's length is given, it means the length of the other opposite side will also be equal to this given length. Okay, so rectangle is a 4-sided closed figure where opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. How to find the perimeter of the rectangle? To find the perimeter of the rectangle, there is a formula, length plus breadth multiply by 2. Why I am using the length plus breadth for one time? Because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal, and to change this length plus breadth into double in opposite sides, we use 2. We will multiply it by 2 to double the length and breadth. What is the purpose of this 2 over here with the multiplication? Just to double this length and breadth because opposite sides are equal. Let's start an example. Look at this box, rectangular box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes are given. So each box is of 1 centimeter. 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Each box, unit box is equal to 1 centimeter. So what's the total perimeter of this rectangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 unit squares. Okay, now this figure is just to tell you about the length and breadth. This side is called length and this side is called breadth, and opposite sides are equal. In this example, 2 rows of 5 squares each. There are 2 rows, first row and second row, and in each row there are 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 10 squares. Here the length is equal to 5 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. 1 and 2. There are 2 boxes in the breadth, so breadth is 2 centimeter. So according to formula, we can convert this. You can see this this rectangular box in this shape. This one is the rectangle. Length is for 5 centimeter and breadth is for 2 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter of this rectangle. Perimeter mean the boundary. Perimeter mean the boundary along the closed figure. So if length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter, it means the opposite side of the length is also 5 centimeter and the opposite side of the breadth is also 2 centimeter. If one side is given, you can easily find the other side. If this one is 2, this one is also 2. If this one is 5, then this one is also 5 centimeter. How to calculate the perimeter? You will use this given formula. Add the length and breadth. Firstly, you will add the length and breadth. So length plus breadth. What is length? 5 plus what is breadth? 2. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 centimeter. You will write the unit along with this centimeter for after the addition, after the sum of these two numbers. Clear? Now 7 is the sum of the length and breadth. As there are two lengths and two breadths, so you will multiply the sum of the length and breadth by 2. Okay, so 7 multiply by 2. 7 2s are 14. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 14 centimeter. Now here is one more example over here already done for you. You can easily calculate the perimeter for this example by yourself according to this first given example. The length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 5 centimeter. Find the perimeter. Figure is also given. You can calculate the perimeter by yourself. I hope the concept of the perimeter of rectangle is clear to you. I will solve one example for you, that how to calculate the perimeter of rectangle, because these examples were already done for you. Now I will calculate one more example for you over here. Okay, let's start. Now as you can see, one figure is given. This one is a rectangular figure. Length of this rectangle is 7 centimeter and the breadth of this rectangle is 5 centimeter. Okay. Now you have to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. It means if this length is 7, it means the other length will also be equal to 7 centimeter. If this breadth is 5, then this opposite side will also be equal to 5 centimeter. So what's the length of this rectangle? 7 centimeter. Breadth is 5 centimeter. What is the formula to calculate the perimeter of rectangle? As already I have written it over here. Perimeter is equal to length plus breadth multiplied by 2. And what's the reason for this multiplication? Because there are two lengths and two breadths. So we will add the length and breadth for one time. We will find the sum and then we will multiply that sum by 2. So formula is length plus breadth multiplied by 2. Now we have to find the perimeter. That is our question. How we can calculate the perimeter? Firstly, you will find the sum of the length plus breadth. So length plus breadth is equal to, what is the length? 7 centimeter plus what is the breadth? 5 centimeter. So what is the sum? 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 centimeter. So length plus breadth is equal to 12 centimeter. Now as there are two lengths and two breadths, so we will multiply this length and breadth by 2. We will multiply it by 2. So what is the length plus breadth? Sorry, this one is addition. Length plus breadth is equal to 12 multiplied by 2. So 12 2s are 24. And what is the unit of 12 centimeters? Don't forget to write the unit. So perimeter is equal to 24 centimeter. That's our answer. Very easy and very simple how to calculate the perimeter of rectangle. Just identify the length If one-sided length is given, it means the opposite side will also be equal to 7 centimeter. If one-sided length breadth is 5, then opposite will also be the 5, because opposite sides of the rectangle are equal in length. So to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle, you have to remember this formula: length plus breadth multiply by 2. Firstly, find the sum of the length plus breadth, and then multiply this length plus sum of the length and breadth by 2. That will be your perimeter. Got it? There is one more method. You can find it by repeated addition, but that is the lengthy process, as there are two lengths: length plus breadth plus breadth. That is also the way to find the perimeter, because there are two lengths and two breadths. So what is the length? 7. What is the length? 7. What is the breadth? 5. What is the breadth? 5. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. 19 plus 5, 24. You can also calculate the perimeter like this. This is the repeated addition, but this one is the lengthy process, as there are two lengths and two breadths. So that's why we are calculating it like this, with simple method: 2 times the sum of the length and breadth. That is easy for you. Clear? I hope you have learned this method about how to calculate the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, now open your booklet, page number 64. An exercise is given. Find the perimeter of each of the following rectangles. Do this exercise by yourself. For any problem, watch the video again and again, or you can ask me. Thank you.